Welcome to this walkthrough on how to use the summary function in reporting and global CRM. When I'm on a report, I can put certain types of summaries on the various columns that are available on my report. So right now we have the division opportunities open, and it's within the 3-month quarter of April, May, and June of 2018. To get the option to have summaries, I'm going to go to Display, and I'm going to select Show Summaries. When you do that, you can see that the little summation icon is available. You have a couple of options with what type of summaries you want to show. For example, if you picked something that didn't really have an actual kind of value in it that it could add up, you could still hit the summary option, and you could pick, for example, the count. As you can see, like the average and the sum is grayed out because this is the opportunity ID number that I have selected. So you can't really take an average of that, but you could take a count. So I will hit OK. And my summary comes down here at the bottom, and it tells me what the summary was that I picked and what it is. So we have 36 opportunities on this report that I'm looking at. At the same time, I could come over here, for example, to estimated value, which has like a real type of number in it. I can hit my summaries button. And this time, for example, I could pick my average and my sum. So as you can see, it gives me a value. If I hover over it, I would see the full amount of what that value was. So my estimated average is 278,000 and some change. If you're a little more advanced and you can't find a specific summary that you need, you can create your own. You can click again this button. I will make a name, and I'm going to just say average month and hit add. It will open up an advanced editor. As I mentioned, you're going to really want to feel very comfortable with what you know about CRM with this, because what you're going to do is you would select values from basically the data tables. So what I'm going to do here is scroll down to my estimated value, and I'll put that in. And I'm just going to do a simple equation right now so that we can see the result. And I'm going to say divided by 3, just because I wanted to know the average month that I have in open opportunities. And as I said, this report had April, May, and June on it. So if I just kind of wanted to make a general assumption of each month, I'm going to hit OK. And I will hit OK again. And as you can see here, I now have my average month, and that's about 6,666, which would then be my total per month. I could come back out. I can delete this from there and hit OK. I could also remove any other values that I wanted. And when I don't want to see that icon anymore, when I don't want to work with the estimated value or with the summaries, I can simply come to display and hit hide summary, and that will remove it. If I had any still exposed, it will keep that visible. To get rid of it, I would just turn back on my summaries and I would remove them from the equation.